Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you how you can withdraw your money from FundedNext. So if you want to withdraw your money, follow me in this video guide. First log in your accounts and then go to this section. You will see payout section. Click on your payout. When you click payout, you have a bank transfer, you have USDT. So if you have any amount profit you want to withdraw, just click bank transfer. So when you click a bank transfer, you will redirect it to, for example, you have this is payout, click payout request. When you click on payout request, you will see this page. Select USDT you want to bank transfer. When you select a bank transfer, click on submit. So click on submit here. This is how you can do. Just click a request from payout. You should be minimum payout amount. It's $20. Choose bank transfer from here. For example, payout method, and then click submit. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video. This is all about your requested amount from here.